How to fix Facebook dating not showing up on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for Facebook. Tap and open the Facebook, and if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it, and if it says open, then your Facebook is updated. Next thing that you can do is open Settings on your phone. Tap on General, tap on Software Update. Make sure your software is updated to the latest version. Now go back to the main page of Settings and scroll down a little bit, and here you want to tap on Privacy. Tap on Location Services. Make sure the Location Services is turned on, and make sure it is turned on for Facebook as well in the bottom. Now you want to go back again and scroll upwards and tap on your Apple ID. Tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account. Tap on Country and Region. Sometimes what happens is the dating feature is not available in your region, so you want to tap on Change Country or Region here. Now you can select any of the country here in which the feature is available, and that is how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.